Choosing the best oven-safe kitchen cookware set can be difficult because there are a variety of options from different brands on the market. We have done thorough research and found the top 5 best oven-safe kitchen cookware sets on the market right now. There are many products available to choose from in kitchen cookware sets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, checked reviews, and compiled a list of the best kitchen cookware sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gotham Steel 20-piece Pots and Pan Set Complete Kitchen Cookware Plus Bakeware Set. Award-winning T-ceramic coating ensures the ultimate release. Everything just slides right off the pan, no need for oil or butter. Complete Kitchen in a Box includes a complete suite of fry pans, stock pots, saucepans, bakeware pans, steamers and more. Ultra-durable, scratch-proof and metal utensil safe. Toxin-free. All Gotham Steel products are PTHE, PFOA, and PFOS-free. Stay cool. Handles are cool to the touch. Recipe book not included. Downloadable PDF file will be included. Please note, this product may arrive either the retail packaging or recyclable eco-friendly box. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The pots and pans are suitable for all stovetops, except induction. Lightweight design makes for a comfortable cooking experience. Gotham Steel cookware is built for years of use. Included components. Cookware and bakeware set. Dishwasher safe, makes for effortless cleanup. Number 2. T-fal E765 SCFA Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick 14-piece cookware set. Built to perform, a true workhorse in the kitchen. Hard anodized aluminum retains perfect heat and has a much stronger protective layer than the original metal, making it corrosion and scratch resistant, plus it won't react to acidic foods. Set includes 8 inches fry pan, 10.25 inches fry pan, 11.5 inches fry pan with lid, 10.25 inches square griddle, 1 quart, saucepan with lid, 2 quart, saucepan with lid, 3 quart, saucepan with lid, 5 quart, Dutch oven with lid, and a 3 quart, steamer insert with 2 side handles. Use and care. Suitable for all stove tops, except induction. Oven safe up to 400 degree Fahrenheit, lids up to 350 degree Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe. PFOA, lead, and cadmium free. Lifetime limited warranty. Thermospot indicator. The ring around the spot turns solid red to show when pans are perfectly preheated and ready for ingredients to be added. Proper preheating is key to sealing in flavor and cooking food evenly. Riveted handles and vented lids. Riveted silicone handles are designed for comfort and safety. Vented tempered glass lids maintain visibility while trapping enough heat and moisture for perfect results every meal. Heat Mastery System. T-fal's Heat Mastery System is a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time. Superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, and anti-warping, even heat base and patented thermospot technology. Durable non-stick. Hard titanium reinforced, scratch-resistant, and toxin-free non-stick interior stands up to everyday use and keeps food sliding smoothly along the surface, making cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Nonstick Pots and Pan Set Copper Aluminum Cookware Set. Healthy and non-toxic pan set. This copper cookware features a patterned interior non-stick coating for easy cooking and easy cleanup. It also ensures the pans are free of PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium for an eco-friendly healthy experience when cooking. Complete cookware set include 8-inch and 10.5-inch frying pans, 1.5 quart and 2 quart saucepans with tempered glass lids, 2.5 quart and 4 quart stock pots with tempered glass lid. Stainless steel handle and visible glass lid. Stay cool handles for comfortable lifting and carrying. Visible lids are made of heat-resistant and shatter-resistant tempered glass. You can clearly monitor the cooking process. Rustic colors and modern design. Aluminum stackable cookware sets features rustic colors and modern design that fuses relaxed style and everyday functionality. Induction cookware sets, equipped with high magnetic inductive stainless steel base, which helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. It also compatible with induction cooktops, oven, gas, electric, ceramic, glass, stove tops. Dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Granitestone Blue 20-piece Pots and Pans Set. Extreme Non-Stick. The Granitestone Blue non-stick cooking surface is coated 3 times and then reinforced with diamonds to deliver the ultimate food release. No seasoning or even oil or butter is needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1 to 2 to 3 cleanup. Complete kitchen in a box includes everything you need to completely outfit your kitchen and take cooking and baking to the next level. Includes a full cookware set with frying pans, skillets, saucepans, stock pots with tempered glass lids, a deep frying and casserole pan with a steamer tray, fry basket and lid, plus a complete pro baking set with cookie sheet, jelly roll pan, loaf pan, muffin tin, square pan, and more. Stovetop and oven safe, compatible with gas, electric, glass cooktops and oven safe up to a sizzling up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids included. Stay cool handles. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for both righty and lefties, and the unique Y-shaped handles lets heat escape and keeps the handles cool to the touch. Solid aluminum composition stamped from a single sheet of aluminum in a heavy press ensures even heat conductivity and distribution all around, with no dead zones or hot spots. Metal utensil safe. The coating of the pan is infused with diamonds, the strongest material on earth, which makes it durable enough to withstand metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks and even electric beaters, while delivering years of outstanding, non-stick use. Included components. 20-piece cookware set. Healthy and non-toxic. The Granitestone coating is derived from minerals and reinforced with diamonds, ensuring this frying pan free of PFOA, PFOS, lead and cadmium for an eco-friendly healthy experience for your entire family. Effortless cleanup. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Number 5. NutriChef with heat-red silicone handles. Non-stick coating. The NutriChef multi-size non-stick pot set cookware features a long-lasting non-stick coating for easy food release or tossing, cleaning and healthy cooking with heat-resistant lacquer exterior making it resistant to high heat. 21-piece set. Includes 1.5 and 2.5 QT sauce pots with lids, 4.5 QT Dutch oven pot with lid, small medium fry pans with handle, ladle, spoon, small and regular spatula, silicone brusher, muffin pan, loaf pan, 2-round pan, square pan, rose pan, pizza pan and baking tin. Universal cooking. These pots and skillet fry pans and utensils set are safe for use in gas, electric and ceramic counter cooktops. Made of pressed aluminum metal with a coating thickness of 20 to 25 2.2 mm multi-layered cookware. See-through lids. The non-stick cookware is equipped with see-through tempered glass lids with vent holes that allow steam to escape. The kitchen cookware set effectively distributes and retains heat for even cooking with 392 degrees Fahrenheit max temperature. Comfortable handle grips. Features cold touch form-fitting handle grips that are ergonomic and heat-resistant, ensuring comfortable and safe cooking. Offers sleek design with stain-resistant edges, adding an elegant touch to the pots and pans. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more helpful information or if you want to know the product price, do check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life very much easier.